TaiRox Fast Data Integrity is a SQL Server specific utility that performs Sage 300 integrity checking in a fraction of the time taken by the Sage Integrity Checker in administrative services. By faster, we mean 10 times faster on small databases and about 100 times faster on medium-sized databases. The gain ratio can be even higher for large databases that may take 10 to 20 hours for the standard Sage function to complete. TaiRox Fast Data Integrity currently supports all core Sage 300 accounting modules, as well as several third-party applications. Note that the Fast Integrity Checker product includes two programs. One is designed to run every night as a Windows scheduled task on multiple Sage 300 databases, and the other runs interactively on a single database and provides an option to repair orphan records that it discovers. And since Fast Data Integrity is a SQL Server utility, you can run it on a database server that isn't part of a Sage 300 installation. Let's run the product. There. It only took a few seconds for the product to run. Let's have a look at the log and see how long it took. First, you can see all of the integrity checks that were done. We focus on the key checks, foreign key constraints, orphans, optional fields, and perform a lot of other application-specific checks. You can see that this program ran in about 5 seconds. For comparison, the standard Sage 300 function took about 1.5 minutes for the same set of applications on this database. There's one other thing that I'd like to show you, and that's a setting. There's a choice here to test transactions for all fiscal years, which is what I just performed, or to limit the check to more recent transactions. The reason to limit your testing to current data is not to speed up the performance of this utility, but rather to eliminate noise. If you have an integrity log with hundreds of errors in it that are all 5 years old, it'll be very difficult to spot current errors because of all the noise. So that's the purpose of this setting. That completes a quick look at Fast Data Integrity. Please visit the TaiRox website for more detailed information about Fast Data Integrity and other TaiRox products for Sage 300.